Hello everyone, please learning English online with my video. How many of these sport do you play? What type of sport do you want to play? 1. This is my favorite game. In this game I have to wear studded boots so I don't slip when I kick the ball. I don't have to use my hand when I play. I have to use my feet to pass the ball and score goal. What type of sport? Badminton, football, volleyball, basketball. Can you guess which sport? Paragraph 2. Would they love to play this game? When she plays, she has to bounce the ball. If she wants to run, she doesn't have to use her feet or her head to move the ball. She has to use her hand to pass the ball and throw the ball through a hoop. Can you guess what this sport? Paragraph 2. Badminton, football, volleyball, basketball. Which one? Paragraph 3. I play this game with my family. In this game I have to use a racket to hit a shuttlecock. I don't have to pass anything to a teammate. I don't have to score goal or basket. I do have to use a racket to hit a shuttlecock, a grow, a net. What type of sport? Can you guess? Badminton or football, volleyball, basketball. Which one? Sport. Can you guess? Paragraph 3. How many of these sports do you play? 4. Levan likes to play this game. When he plays, he has to use his hand to hit a ball. He doesn't have to use a racket or his feet to pass the ball to his teammate. He doesn't have to score goal or basket. He has to use his hand to hit the ball over the net or high into the air for his teammate. Can you guess this sport? Paragraph 4. Can you guess which sport? Badminton, football, volleyball or basketball. Bye bye, see you in the next video.